Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to review the Arduino. We have made a display with our channel. You can just see the reviewing, guys. So we have made it in such a way that we can adjust the contrast and all of these things, guys. We've put a preset here to adjust the contrast. You can just see this blue color thing over here. You can just see the display now. When I rotate this, there is nothing. So when I rotate it back, the reviewing, guys, it gets displayed. So you can see it became bright and dim when I just rotated this knob. So guys, we'll just show you how to do this. So guys, the source code is on my monitor. You can just see it. We've taken the source code from Arduino's website. So the link's in the description, guys, and here is the schematic diagram to how to connect the Arduino. So I'll just show you the website, guys. So first you will have to visit www.arduino. Don't worry, guys, I'll just put this in the description below, and then you can just download this file and you can just print it like this as we have printed it for more easiness. So now what we will do is you have to come to the web page. You have to first download or print this image. So you'll go down, you'll scroll down, and you can see this thing called get code. You have to click on get code, and you have to just scroll down and you have to select it from #include liquidcrystal.h. From here to here, you have to just copy paste it, and this is how you have to do it, guys. We'll just show you a quick demo like how to change the text from the reviewing, guys, to any other thing. For suppose we'll take the example by typing. To edit the text on the screen, guys, you have to just come to this lcd.print. You have to erase the reviewing, guys. So now we'll just add Arduino. Okay. So guys, once you do it, you have to just verify once. So you can see that it's now compiling the sketch. It's done compiling. Now once we upload this, it says compiling sketch, and once it says finishing upload, done uploading, yes. Now you can see in the screen that it's displaying Arduino Uno. So this is all about our video of today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.